Ethiopia is the most rapidly growing multicultural hub of Africa and home to over 110 million people. Our country is on a journey spanning millennia. Our culture persists and our people persevere. Good health is the basis for everlasting happiness. It directly or indirectly affects the well-being of the community in a profound manner. Our values are met with the warmest attitude. We strive to be a center of excellence in public health. (1943) EC signaled the beginning of unprecedented medical research in Ethiopia. The subsequent decades familiarized the medical sector with harsh realities and served to galvanize it towards the bigger picture. Consequently, and after much deliberation, an institution evolved into the right hand of the Ministry of Health and formed the Ethiopian Public Health Institute. The lion's share of medical evidence being utilized by the Ministry of Health is acquired from the Ethiopian Public Health Institute, producing millions of laboratory results all year round. You won't see us as we work in a secured area of your hospital, but we are a vital part of your healthcare system. All the work is done with professional discretion. The background provides a certain level of anonymity as scientific research is carried out by trained professionals. The EPHI remains an integral part of the healthcare system, constantly paving the way towards better nutrition. Utilizing technologies and up-to-date tools are among the vital assets to delivering high standards in our outcomes. Precise responses are made possible through our state-of-the-art equipment. In the last 15 years, state-of-the-art machines have propelled the clinical laboratory into Pasteur's modern. This has allowed for a more efficient workflow, assisting with the tasks of diagnosis and study of diseases such as HIV and tuberculosis. The EPHI functions with the flexibility and dexterity provided by these machines. Staying true to its roots, this institute is always striving to enhance indigenous knowledge. The task of streamlining traditional medicine to international medicine requires extensive knowledge of both worlds. The EPHI remains tasked with the responsibility of bridging that gap. A significant aspect of this national responsibility is reflected in the fact that EPHI is the sole producer of the rabies vaccine throughout Ethiopia, a country where there are thousands of exposures per year. A pathology procedure is undertaken to synthesize antibodies as a part of a timely response to combat this fatal virus. Another important frontier of medical science is the use of animals and their DNA to advance human medicine. The EPHI has broadened its scope of study to include white mice and rodents and a selected few species that have proven to be conducive to scientific research. In some cases, a simulated environment test ascertains conditions of vector-borne diseases such as malaria so as to reevaluate existing protocols. In the midst of a coalescing of international culture, traveling presents a peculiar challenge to medicine. The EPHI, along with Ethiopian Airlines, has taken a commendable action to protect the country against acquired and potentially lethal ailments by placing data collection checkpoints at the various high-profile entry points. Floods, drought, famine, epidemics. Our diverse staff works day and night to provide accurate and reliable results by playing the critical role of ensuring society's safety. At EPHI, our experts respond to public health emergencies. We foster specialized skill sets to research and recover those that are in dire need. We face epidemics and other public health threats on a daily basis. When it comes to critical situations, we swiftly provide and assess comprehensive data by collaborating with other concerned bodies to bring about direct solutions. EPHI takes extra steps to secure the public health of our community and the globes. We have raised the basic standards of hospital and lab requirements as well as manpower supervision. This has elevated the standard of healthcare significantly. Information revolution is a critical pillar in directing policies to see actual change in the narrative. This is our vision. We are proud of what we do, and we would like you to know who we are. We work together with all of you. The Ethiopian Public Health Institute. Welcome to the 4th EPHI Scientific Congress.